Hi, buddy. Good evening. Today, Cheesy does it. The hint is ask support. Will you see it? Because when you come here, of course, you do your network, disable cache, persistent log, so you can do if you register, of course. Uh, if you're familiar with this room, because every time, every day they do different room, but same one, but different problem. There's a new things happen. You can see it is in the support endpoint. Before the support, we need. Can we do none? Okay, none. Don't think we'll accept. Let's test it. Oh, ticket submit. We don't need to create an order, waste time. Okay. So let's say test number one. Usually when you say ticket submitted, our team would get back to you. In general, this is an XSS, so straight fat XSS. You can see the post request gets sent to API tickets, so we are cool with that. The request usually you can see it's subject message or the ID. No, that's fine. A response ticket was created and the message ticket submitted. Our team will get back to you. This is a classic XSS. When you see something, usually what I do, usually for example, because now is we don't have a VPN, we use webhook. Usually this is my favorite payload because it pass filter. Usually they don't block it. So let us see, but this one doesn't work. Remember this one, why? Because stealing cookie, most of these rooms, they don't have cookies. They use a local storage. So if someone there, we need to steal the local storage. We don't steal the cookie. The cookie will not work. The next best thing you can do different things or get all of them if it does work. So we can test this one, but we're more interested in local storage. We even use accessing the local storage. So we can do test number two. We don't do. Let's make sure that the first one you can see is not, it doesn't do anything. Submit a ticket. In theory, it's a ticket submitted. Our team will get back to you. So we're more interested in this ticket number two. Let's see if it does work. Basically, they look. This one is more straightforward. But if there is a filter, it's good to open them like that, a bracket and things like to bypass the filter. This one is straightforward. It just send the local storage or wherever we get there. Let's see if we get anything interesting. Okay, this one, my first one was blocked because it keep running. So let's get this one quickly and shut the lab before they block us. This one is base 64. You can see that one is, so if I do echo, uh, base 6. We don't, that's why they block minus D. What the hell? This is, we got the uh, token. That's a token. We don't need this one anymore. Uh, what we can do with token? Let's open the token there. Let's see what it can give us. But remember this one, we are more interested in you can open any one of them. We don't test because we are admin now. We can. I forgot. If you go to the admin here, this is the GS file of the file. I already got it. And let's say if you search for admin endpoint, you can see there are a couple of them. Where is it? Where is this freezing now? 200. These admin ticket, admin user, things like that. Um, admin ticket. What's his freezing now? Admin coupon, admin stats. We're supposed to be admin now. We're not admin. Oh, we are admin now, but we don't have the menu. There's no menu there. Admin dashboard. So we have the user, we have the orders, we have the coupon. We don't have the flag. What's this one? Oh, this is our messages. Um, so the flag will be, I think it's admin flag. You can see it's sending, and there's no flag. Oh, you can see is looping. Let's get out of this page. The hell is the hell happening? Oh, the webhook is running. Hey, that's what the problem here. We need to get the flag before it crash. Um, no, not admin. It's an API. API admin flag. Something is not right. You can see the webhook. Sorry guys, I'm getting let's get that admin endpoint. API admin user, the other one is a flag. Ah, that's your flag. I need to shut down, otherwise you can see this is keep sending. Webhook went to you can see it's sending too much. So when you get you can either you do curl because API admin flag and you use authorization bearer. You can use authorization bearer that we did decode it here. So that's your flag for today, and you can see now we need to shut it down before they block us. So this is your admin for today. Let me shut down this one because basically is this one. You can see if you do like that, webhook will block you. So let's not go too fast. So the idea is you have this payload, you have this one, you steal local storage, and local storage you get your key, your JW token. When you get your JW token, you can just um, uh, it's still running here. You get your flight for today. Thank you everybody and have a good day.